My name is Brad Hall, and today I'm going to be tackling a really tough topic, something that I wanted to tackle a long time ago actually. About 6 months ago, I made another video. I'm going to show you a clip from that right now. The only real eyesore is the right heel, and that's from driving. My floor mat must be dirty, so maybe I'll figure out a solution for that. That was from a video about how dirty this shoe gets after wearing it for 1 hour. I wore it while driving, and that heel, it just got destroyed. I haven't worn these because it's been winter, and that dirt, it's still there, and it's still got me fumed. And it's not just a problem with this shoe, it's a problem on any shoe. Anytime you're driving, your heel's making contact with a dirty floor mat, you're gonna get dirt on that heel. I had all winter to think about this problem, and I'm pretty happy with the solution that I came up with, and I'm gonna share that with you right now. So my solution is very simple, it's very clean, very streamlined. All you need, a couple of stretch straps. You're gonna use those as harnesses. That's gonna keep your heel off the ground. The system allows for just enough movement to touch that toe to the accelerator, get that car moving. Very simple solution, very elegant. Now the one issue I had, it was very hard to get over to that brake. Don't worry, using your hand that's not operating the wheel of the car, you're gonna want a baseball bat. That reaches the pedal really easily. Kind of a two-pronged attack. One with your foot and one with a Louisville Slugger. So I'm in a parking lot. I'm gonna test this out right now, see if it's successful. Booting up. Got my baseball bat to brake the car. Gonna put that in position. Ready to get down there. Into drive. Ease off. On wheel, brake. My heel's still not on the ground, still not getting dirty, so I consider that a success. So that was my solution to the dirty heel. I'm gonna keep tweaking it. You know, when the iPod came out, it had a click wheel. Now, it doesn't have a click wheel, and that's because you keep iterating, one iteration after another, until you get the perfect solution, and that's what I'm aiming for. And if I get closer to that, you can bet you're gonna hear about it right here on my channel.